first, what are lean metrics? Lean metrics क्या है? Now that we are learned agile metrics in detail, let us move on lean metrics. The best time for any company is when the sales see a boost. But with improved sales, the workload increases. At the same time, development operation grows. This makes it difficult to measure performance efficiency. Sometimes measuring performance under a high workload compromises our product's quality. This process has to be efficient and profitable. So companies often use lean metrics to evaluate and measure their performance. Most companies focus on reducing waste to improve production efficiency. But before jumping onto lean management, it's important to know the measurement of various factors. Lean is all about removing something that does not add value. Lean metrics track and reflect improvements in development and operations. They also control and monitor development process. This ensures continuous quality to customers. In a way, it identifies areas of improvement. This makes the implementation of changes simpler.